The slab system comes with protectors for the suction cups so that maintenance and storage are easy. The brake system can easily be engaged or disengaged with your foot. The slab table is made of 5 rectangular aluminum bars that are spaced to allow the user to drill and cut without damaging the table. The corners of the bars are smooth, so that ceramic can be supported on the edge of the table without damaging the material. The table also has adjustable feet to work with stability on uneven surfaces. Its legs have a security system to prevent accidental closing and can be folded against the tabletop for easy storage. Once we have a stable surface area to work on, we're ready to move our large format ceramics from the pallet over to our table. And in order to help with this, we have the Slab Trans heavy-duty lifting system. The slab table provides a solid, stable surface to work on of 70.8 by 41 inches of surface area, and you can connect more than one slab table using our EasyFix system, which requires no extra tools and can be set in place with your hands. The Slab Trans heavy-duty lifting system consists of 2 aluminum profiles with an adjustable length of 5 1/4 to 10 1/2 feet, and 2 perpendicular crossbeams which provide a strong support system for ceramics weighing up to 309 pounds. The 6 suction cups are set in place with an EasyFix system that requires no extra tools and is easy to put in place with our hands. They also have a triple lip for optimal grip and suction even against rough surfaces. Pressure is added and released from the suction cups through a simple, easy-to-push pump. If needed, more suction cups can be added to the system by purchasing them separately. The 4 handles are also set in place with an EasyFix system. The slab trolley is made so that a single person can easily transport large format ceramics, and it's made with rubber bumpers so that the person transporting the ceramic and the material itself are both safe. You can easily double glue your material while it's still supported on the slab trolley. When we're ready to move the tile onto our table, we lock the stop and fix brake with our foot, and we adjust the lower extendable supporting arm to the same height as our slab table. This way, when we perform the unloading maneuver, the slab trolley is supporting the large format ceramic every moment until the ceramic is completely passed onto the table. The slab table is 27 inches tall to maximize the ergonomics of this transfer. The lower arm is really important here, and we've made it adjustable because once it's fully collapsed, the entire system, with the ceramic attached, can fit easily through a standard door. The Slim Cutter kit comes with a carrying case, 2 suction cups with 3 lips for strong grip against smooth and rough surfaces, a scoring wheel roller, a RUBI Extreme 0.87-inch diameter scoring wheel, and 2 braking pliers. It comes with 3 aluminum guides as well, each of which is 3 feet and 7 inches long, giving a total length of 10 feet and 10 inches, and it has an easy system for connecting these guides in a perfectly straight line. If you have a piece of ceramic that is longer than 10 feet and 10 inches, you can buy more guides separately and connect them with the exact same system. The braking pliers work for separating pieces of ceramic that are up to 0.24 inches thick. For separating pieces of ceramic that are between 0.24 and 0.6 inches thick, we use the slim breaker. Once we're ready to break our ceramic, 2 people hold the separators on either end of the tile and apply pressure until we hear a click. Once we hear that click coming from both separators, we increase the pressure until the tile breaks. The SLIM EASYTRANS can support tiles weighing up to 132 pounds and consists of 2 aluminum profiles with an adjustable length of 5 1/4 to 10 1/2 feet, as well as 10 suction cups. The suction cups should be adhered first with the lever and then with the EasyFix system. It's important to set the lever first because this is vital for optimal suction and grip. You can augment the strength of the EASYTRANS by adding more suction cups. With each pair of suction cups added, the maximum weight that the EASYTRANS can support is increased by 22 pounds. So you can reach a maximum supported weight of 242 pounds just by adding extra suction cups. The EASYTRANS system for large format ceramics is compatible with an accessory pair of crossbeams. Now we'll see how to attach and adjust them and their benefits. Now that we've attached the crossbeams to our SLIM EASYTRANS, we can easily lift and hang our large format tiles on the SLIM Trolley. Now that we've seen our system for cutting large format ceramics manually, we can check out the TC125, our electric system for cutting large format ceramics. The TC125 works with the SLIM Cutter guides because it's equipped with stainless steel radial bearings, and it's made for both wet and dry cutting. It also has a height-adjustable head with a lateral hinge that bends from 0 to 45 degrees, allowing us to cut at different depths and angles. For dust control and refrigeration of wet and dry cuts, it has an easy connection to a vacuum, as well as adapters included to work with vacuums of differing sizes. It also has a water regulation valve. When we are ready to cut, it's important to make sure that our working space is level and stable, and that our SLIM Cutter system guides are well gripped to the tile. It's important to keep in mind as well that when we cut at 90 degrees, there's 1.2 inches between the guide and the disc, and when we cut at 45 degrees, there's 0.8 inches of distance between the guide and the disc. It's always important to remember to use an adequate disc for the material you're cutting, and the TC125 also comes with a PRCD security lock for safety.